Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Prepare your devices before starting the Apple Watch setup process. Keep both devices charged and within 3-5 inches of each other for pairing. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the iPhone before pairing. Sign into iCloud with your Apple ID on the iPhone. Open the Apple Watch app on the iPhone to begin the guided pairing. Have your Apple Watch on its charger until activation completes. If you see a pairing animation, center it in the iPhone camera view. Choose to set up as new or restore from a backup during setup. Hold the iPhone camera over the watch until a pairing animation appears in the view. Follow the on-screen prompts to align the animation for automatic pairing. Create a watch passcode to protect your data and enable or skip Apple Pay during setup. Sign in with your Apple ID when asked to sync apps and settings. Update Watch OS if prompted and choose cellular if you want a plan and compatible carrier. Wait while the iPhone and Apple Watch transfer data and complete account activation. After pairing, choose which apps and notifications to install during the Apple Watch setup. Customize watch faces, complications, and layout to match your daily needs. Set up Apple Pay, Medical ID, and Emergency SOS from the Watch app for safety. Adjust activity goals, risk detection, and haptics for personalized feedback. Keep backups enabled in iCloud so you can restore settings later if needed. To remove the watch, unpair from the Watch app, which erases the watch and saves a backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.